Hey guys, today we're going to make this hoop wreath using items from the Dollar Tree. For the wreath, you're going to need a 20-inch hula hoop. The Dollar Tree had two different sizes. You're going to want to get the smaller size. You're also going to need some of this burlap ribbon that's also from the Dollar Tree and some foliage. I'm using these greenery bouquets. And you're going to need a hot glue gun. To begin with, I peeled off the silver metallic sticker that covers the hula hoop. I just used a pair of scissors to cut an end. Once I found a piece to peel, it actually was pretty easy. Once the sticker was off, it was time to wrap the hoop in the burlap ribbon. Whenever I started a piece, I always used the hot glue to secure the end. Now for the fun part, the hula hoop is completely covered in the burlap ribbon, and now I'm going to arrange the different pieces of floral that I have, and I'm just going to attach it using hot glue. For this last section, I completely disassembled one of the bouquets because I only had one left, and I wanted to make both sides even. And so I just took apart all the different pieces and then placed them where I thought they looked okay. Here is the finished wreath. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys in the next video.